Hey there, in this tutorial I'll show you step by step on how to connect your microphone to BandLab on PC in 2026, so you can start recording and creating music easily. Make sure you follow the instructions till the end. To connect your microphone to BandLab, first you must know if your microphone on your PC works. In order to do that, you must go first to your sound settings here on your desktop. Simply go here and click on the more volume settings and check if your input is currently your mic. If it shows your mic on the input, you can now simply close it. Now after closing it, you would see a site information here, a view site button here. Click it and see the site settings. Make sure in here the BandLab is currently allowed in the microphone. And if that's the case, you can now simply go to your BandLab and test if it would work properly. Now you can just simply add a track, voice or audio, and in here you would see the input that I have, either the microphone, the Realtek, or the communication one. That's it. If it helps, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this.